Hey everybody, good morning. It's early, it's almost 6 o'clock, and this is season 2 of The Big Move. Wow, I have to admit, I'm feeling a little bit sad. I'm in the process of cooking my last breakfast here. Right, there it is. I cleaned the house, got it ready for staging for the last time. Made the bed for the last time. I went out and I backwashed the pool for the last time. And if you dwell on the ending of things, how much you're going to lose, how much you're going to miss, the emotions, the memories, if you continue to dwell on that, it will literally drive you insane. Into sadness, depression, whatever, the madness of it all. So I choose to believe the idea that every day is a new beginning, not an ending, a new beginning. Yes, yesterday was an ending. The past is the past. You can't do anything about it. That's what they say. They say you can't do anything about the future. All you have is the present. But this morning is a new beginning for me, a new chapter in my life. And you notice I'm not wearing my printed t-shirts. Oh man. There are going to be some changes coming up. I got my Let's Go hat though. Going to be some changes in my life as I start a new chapter. This is a new season on this show and a new chapter in my life. I am excited, nervous, happy, sad, all at the same time. I have conflicting emotions around the entire wheel or spectrum, however you want to phrase that. And in about an hour, I'm going to hit the road on a road trip going down south. So season 2 will be all about this road trip. Now, I am, if anybody knows me well, I'm a planner. I usually plan my year in advance in December, right before Christmas. I know what's going to happen in general. I have a guideline. The past few years, the past like 5 or 6 years, as I've been in this travel club, I've been planning my vacations for the entire year. And I do 10 or 12 vacations every year. Travel, business trips. Yes. But this trip, I'm leaving this morning. I'm going to go to the Basketball Hall of Fame in Springfield, Mass, and then head over to Philadelphia for the evening. And then my sister's in Delaware for dinner the following day, and then Richmond, Virginia. And after that, I have like 2 weeks where I don't even know where I'm going to stay, what I'm going to do. It's kind of exciting. It's really nervous for me as a planner to be that disconnected from my schedule, that I don't have one. So follow along, see what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen yet, so we will discover this together. Welcome to season 2. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more because I'll be showing you sights from cities I have never been to before.